They're gonna rail camp.
I mean, it's not a bad idea to rail
That's a
camp
valid
when
strategy in duel.
yeah, he
Yeah,
had
it's, you're
46%
right.
rail. Right? He's
It-
playing to
like
his
back.
strengths actually.
It's like back
Yes.
in the day. I think someone was commenting on Cooler,
Prepare to
saying
fight.
all rail,
Yeah.
no brain.
Round
No, that's
begins.
Kilson.
Three,
Kingston,
Oh.
okay.
2, 1. Fight.
But
Kudo is-
Cooler was the
Kudo is
original.
pretty brainy, yeah. Like Kudo
No, yeah, you're
knows
right.
some-
Because that was surprising when someone told me it was Cooler. Because he's the original guy who, started playing Quake smart,
Yeah,
like
correct.
collecting the items and yeah,
You do some really
in the pro
like,
scene.
Yeah. Cooler.
Now JP
like,
knows where he is.
Then after that, Rafa just came and destroyed it.
Did you look at that rail? That was an impressive
Yeah, this
rail.
this quick flicks which GB does, right? Like it's very very good. He has that strength is very strong in him.
Yeah, yeah.
And now the invis used, GB will be guessing where.
Oh, that's like nice try by King.
Nice timing on the heavy.
Yeah.
That was actually bad from King. If GB had been
Wiser.
just a bit closer to the
Yeah.
teleporter, he was dead.
No, like, yeah, like he should have pushed that portal, but he tried really hit that shot from that portal other on the other side.
Still yet.
Why did he use?
GB will win now. Yeah.
First blood.
Oh,
Never
nice.
fears.
Using rocket.
Combo kill.
See, this is what I was talking about. GB only uses rails.
Tank.
Oh, he got
Now he has
railed.
both the items and King is in a bit of trouble now.
Nice rail.
Oh,
Oh, he misses the shot. It was a nice try though.
Yeah.
oh,
His trusty rail not working. Two instances.
EB has played this game quite a bit.
What a shot.
oh, nice rocket.
Nice rocket. You know what? Like if GB would have been on a heavy champion, he could have definitely won. I don't know why.
See, he's
what
LG,
made
right?
him
Oh,
flash.
that
Yeah,
LG
yeah.
is insane.
And King suicided.
Oh,
He knew that
shit.
item is
No.
How did he suicide? He fell off. Huh?
I think he had nowhere to go, so he just tactically suicided there.
Oh, people do that.
But you should not do it that early in the game. But yeah,
You should see people doing that in real life. Tactically. Anyway,
Stopwatch.
back to the game.
We've seen in the news now. Oh, so is that where? Okay, never mind. I won't say it.
No, don't.
Yeah.
I think this map can only work. I mean, works will only fun in Quake Champions rather than Quake something like normal Quake, because you can do some lot of interesting things with the abilities and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, whether it's Ranger, Athena, or very wiser like that.
Papan has an
Now-
interesting observation. He says that GB's movement is completely opposite to that of his QL.
That's because he
Good
doesn't move in
observation.
QL.
Yeah, good observation.
Master.
That's one
And-
more thing.
Oh, nice.
If GB takes Aizen, then he'll have 2 turrets, dude.
Nice.
King just
Wow.
being caught. That's the problem with playing a light champ, right? Like you don't have much
yeah.
stack. You get caught once, you're dead. That's
Right,
it.
right. You're supposed to engage from, like, most of the times you're supposed to engage from a distance.
If you don't have the items, yes, you have to play very careful. Now see, King is railed again. He has nothing.
Right.
Oh, it's nice rocket from
From King. See, the Mega is up.
He's time set at a trap.
Activates his ability. He knows where.
That's a very good decision by
Wait,
GB to
yeah.
not
Yeah.
Direct.
Right?
So King was spamming the rockets, right? If one rocket just can knock you on that.
Can't do that.
Oh, what?
You have
Oh, that's a
Nice.
nice LG.
Why didn't he take the Mega?
Yeah, though.
He didn't know the timing, I guess.
Not that, but it spawned no next to it. Okay, he didn't see it.
Like he's just a bad.
This is the problem, man. The sounds in this game, you don't know what's happening. You have to look. Okay, this
No,
is
no, no.
like,
This sucks. Okay.
this is
To be fair,
destruction, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this on that scenario, like he didn't see that. I think they just like, I mean,
No, but
it's very,
in Quake Live, right? Whenever item spawns, you can hear that boom. That sound.
yeah, that's also true. But he was so invested in yeah.
No, he had to because that
King
guy
using the
chased him
invis?
down.
No, why are you fighting him?
nice LG. Wow.
Yeah, bad decision. I guess he saw that GB ran behind, so he thought he
He actually tricked. He actually tricked King.
I don't know if he
He knew
tricked
that-
or he just, yeah.
He knew King would follow him. I guess. So Bandit, does this make you? Are you afraid
Nervous?
of GB now? Yeah. Are you nervous? Are you nervous?
I'll just play clutch.
He's gonna ban clutch. Okay, he can't ban. He can't.
Clutch
So
is
wait,
the
when
weakest
a-
champion, man.
Yeah.
The winner
all
of
you have
this
to do
match.
is put your shield and rush him, dude. What's he gonna do?
It's not that easy.
He's
not that
he
easy,
predicted
yeah.
that as well. Oh my god. Next,
GB has the item timings perfect.
Some work before you shield, but it's very easy to get wrecked using clutch. Just one LG fight and it's totally out of control. You don't have anything.
What? Oh,
2 rails. Missed the third one. And the fourth one as well.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
that's just a nice prediction by me. Knowing GB will go.
The heavy is up. Look at King. He seems to be tracking the items as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
At least the heavy. The Mega's up as well. Oh,
Now King is tagged. Let's see if he can make that comeback.
yeah, he should rush in. Oh,
no, but GB is very defensive. That's the one.
Right now
Yeah,
he just.
that's how you play.
Nice, my king.
nice.
Nice. If you teleporting or something, I would have been more happy.
I think out of all the matches
Chase
that we
him
have
down.
streamed,
Actually.
Just
I think
out
out of
Oh, nice.
But GB did well
Nice
there
one,
to
nice
just
one.
delay King. Now see he has a minute.
I don't think he thought that through. He just played defensively.
Actually,
Very-
King
Also,
should have
just keeping
uh,
TP on track. That's it.
keeping
King
him
should have
humble.
pushed a bit faster, knowing that if they both sync up, then it will be very difficult to just restrict your opponent from taking one item.
you know, King is missing a lot of his games. He's a bit nervous, to be honest.
But one more thing, yeah. Like usually, if King had the advantage, he wouldn't have had to like.
Oh,
Okay.
that's a very nice rail.
You know,
So that was a good play by GB. He knew that that guy is gonna spawn and try and get him on the jump side.
I think Visor just kind of helps GB in his original gameplay. So
yeah.
Yeah,
if he has like a particular info about when a opponent is coming exactly, then
yeah, he's very precise.
Visor says all those Russian quotes as well, right? Those are like motivation to for GB. Yeah. Someone who idolizes.
He idolizes Russians, Germans, and Israelis.
Weird mix up.
Yeah. I mean, GB is a fan of Hitler and Israel, so
Oh.
I'm not.
That is some unconfirmed news, guys.
It's
That
not.
is-
You can ask him.
Stop watching.
I think he said that in the official Quake Discord as well.
Oh, did he? These are again
Yeah, I
some
think so.
unfounded claims.
No,
Twitch
like
viewers don't be alarmed. Twitch viewers.
no,
don't be alarmed.
everybody knows. Everybody knows. You don't know that?
Minute warning.
Wow, that was a good rail.
for all the viewers, these guys are friends with GB, so they're just messing with us.
We just mess with
Combo
them.
kill. Killing
But
You know,
but
I have to say one thing, that out of all the matches that we've streamed, I think this was one of the most interesting ones to watch. It was a total beatdown from GB, but very good.
And supposedly the next game is more interesting because it's corrupted keep and it doesn't have a raid.
Yeah.
Doesn't have rail. Oh, this will be very interesting.
Okay.
King should have
okay.
picked that as his second map.
You know what? I think GB
GB
made a
Slack,
huge
actually.
mistake. GB made a huge mistake picking Slack, or not Slack, Slash in the first.
It's Sunday,
work
dude.
on my mind. Picking Slash in the first map should not have went with.